Most men think erections are all about testosterone or pills, but the real key? Blood flow. And there's one exercise, backed by both science and doctors, that's been shown to boost circulation, strengthen pelvic muscles, and improve erections without any medication. It's simple, it's quick, and chances are you've never heard it explained this way before. In this video, we're breaking down the #1 exercise for improving erectile function naturally, how it works, what it targets, and how to start doing it right now, from home, in just a few minutes a day. Because performance starts from the ground up, and most men are ignoring the one muscle group that matters most. The exercise, it's called a Kegel, but not the way most people talk about it. Kegels aren't just for women. Men have a pelvic floor too, a group of muscles that sit just below your bladder and support everything from urination to erections. When that muscle weakens from aging, sitting too much, or poor circulation, blood flow decreases, erection quality drops, control goes down. But when you strengthen it, you improve blood retention, nerve sensitivity, and even ejaculatory control. Multiple studies have shown that men who perform pelvic floor exercises can significantly improve their erectile function, sometimes better than medication and without side effects. The best part? You can do it sitting down, lying down, or standing. No equipment, no gym. But it only works if you do it right and consistently. So how do you actually perform a male Kegel? Step 1, find the muscle. Next time you're urinating, try to stop the flow halfway through. That muscle you're engaging, that's your pelvic floor, and it's what you want to strengthen. But don't train it while peeing. That's just how you locate it. Here's how to do it properly. Sit, lie down, or stand with your spine neutral. Squeeze the pelvic floor, like you're holding in gas or stopping urination. Hold the contraction for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax for the same amount of time. Start with 10 reps, once or twice a day. Gradually build up to longer holds and more repetitions. Don't overdo it. This is a muscle, and like any muscle, quality beats quantity. And for men who want to go further, some doctors suggest adding light resistance tools specifically designed to improve pelvic floor activation. They're compact, discreet, and help you isolate the movement more effectively, especially as you age. You'll find a link in the description to one of the most recommended tools for men working on pelvic control and blood flow. It's not required, but for some, it makes all the difference. Because like any other part of your body, what you train improves. So when can you expect results? For most men, if you do the exercise consistently, you'll start noticing improvements in control, stamina, and blood flow within a few weeks. Some feel subtle changes after just 7 to 10 days. Others may take longer, especially if there's been long-term inactivity or other health issues involved. But the key is this: progress compounds. The more you reconnect with that part of your body, the more awareness, strength, and control you build. It's not magic, it's muscle. And just like any muscle, it responds to attention. If you want to take it one step further, you'll find a discreet tool in the description that can help support pelvic floor training, especially for men who prefer structure or added resistance. But even without equipment, a few minutes a day can lead to massive shifts in performance and confidence. If this video gave you a new perspective, share it with someone who thinks performance is all about testosterone. And drop the word control in the comments if you're ready to build strength from the inside out.